Ugh, AI sucks.
That's a bold take. Care to elaborate?
Ugh. Every time I try using AI tools, they either mess up my code, give vague suggestions, or just feel disconnected. I don't need another hype train. I need actual results.
I get it. A year ago, I felt the same. But have you tried Apple's new artificial intelligence tools? On device, private, and actually made for developers?
Apple AI. What, Siri giving me a weather report with a smile?
Not anymore. It's a whole new game. Apple just dropped a suite of AI features that run directly on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. No cloud dependency, no data leaks. It's smart, private, and integrated.
Okay, like what?
For starters, the new writing tools. Think system-wide text enhancement. Summarizing, rewriting, proofreading, all built in. Whether you're in Notes, Mail, or even Xcode comments, AI's right there helping out.
Cool for writing, but I build apps, not essays.
Then let me show you Image Playground, an Apple Intelligence feature available on all compatible iPhones and Macs that allows users to generate unique images based on text descriptions, concepts, and photos from their library. You describe what you need, and boom, you get the picture in seconds, all on device. This powerful generative AI interface is accessible for developers to incorporate into their codebase. No third-party licensing, no drama.
That's actually kind of useful. Still, visual stuff is one thing. How's this helping me code?
Glad you asked. Meet the integrated ChatGPT assistant, baked into Xcode. Context-aware, understands your project, suggests Swift code, refactors, even explains APIs as you go.
Wait, it actually knows what's going on in my app?
Exactly. And if you want more control, Apple's introduced foundation models for developers. You can run AI models directly on the device, customize them, fine-tune them, without needing a PhD in machine learning.
Hold on, so I can actually use AI in my apps, not just as a user, but as a creator.
Yes. Add natural language input, personalized experiences, smart content generation, whatever your app needs. And thanks to Apple's emphasis on privacy, your users' data never leaves their devices.
This isn't the AI I've been avoiding. This is powerful and responsible.
Exactly. And the best part? There's a new Apple AI Masterclass launched recently. Project-based learning, guided by experts, teaches you everything from integrating Apple's foundation models to building real-world AI-powered apps for iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Hey, check out these awesome projects you can create using Apple Intelligence.
All right, I'm in. AI might not suck after all. Sign me up for the masterclass.
I knew you'd come around. Master the future of app development with Apple Intelligence and join the course.